Hello and welcome. In this video, I am going to provide you with some very valuable anti-cancer resources. The information I will be sharing with you will help you along your natural healing journey and beyond. These are all easy health hacks with an exciting how-to bonus quick tip at the end, so be sure to watch all the way through. Let's get started. Cancer develops when some of the body's cells grow uncontrollably and spread to other parts of the body, which means it can start practically anywhere in our bodies. There are normal cells and abnormal cells. The normal cell life process is when cells grow and multiply through a process called cell division to form new cells as the body needs it. Cells grow old and become damaged. They die, and new cells take their place. We run into problems when abnormal and damaged cells grow and multiply when they shouldn't. These cells may form tumors, which are lumps of tissues. Tumors can be cancerous or not cancerous, otherwise called benign. Cancerous tumors spread and invade nearby tissues and can travel to distant parts of the body to form new tumors, a process called metastasis. Benign tumors do not spread or invade nearby tissues. Luckily, nature has provided us with nutrition from many natural resources to support and aid our bodies in the fight against viruses and diseases, including cancer. Many environmental influences come into play when it comes to our health. From the foods we eat, the products we use, our living space, even down to the air we breathe. There is a lot of in-depth information to cover about our health, but for this episode, the focus is to provide you with some easy-to-follow guidelines on how you can begin and sustain a healthy anti-cancer lifestyle. Food is one of our main essentials. There are foods we need to incorporate and, in some cases, replace with healthier options. Whole grains. A diet rich in whole grains and fiber has shown to decrease the likelihood of bladder cancer. Tomatoes. Lycopene is the main pigment of tomatoes, which, according to scientific studies, has a protective role from prostate cancer. In order to make the lycopene available in the highest quantity and to be easily digestible, it is best served with fats such as extra virgin olive oil, as in tomato sauce. The Japanese horseradish, otherwise known as wasabi, is a green-colored spicy paste, usually accompanied with your sushi. In studies, it shows that wasabi has great anti-cancer properties. Study has demonstrated that wasabi inhibits the growth of cancer cells in the colon, stomach, and lungs. According to scientific studies, moderate glass of red wine have shown to decrease and lower your risk of mortality. For men, it's generally 2 glasses of red wine per day, and for women, it's 1 glass of red wine per day. And of course, drink responsibly. Red chili peppers. These are rich in mineral salts like calcium, potassium, magnesium, iron, and your vitamins such as vitamins A, vitamin E, the B group vitamins, and vitamin C. And they are able to fortify the immune system. Red chili peppers contain flavonoids and capsaicin that gives it the spicy flavor. It's the capsaicin has the anti-cancer properties because it causes the death of cancer cells and hinders their nutrients. Another interesting fact about chili peppers, they are an aphrodisiac. While a lot of us are spending more time at home, we should take steps to ensure our home environment is healthy as well. Plants provide us with another important essential, oxygen. Some plants go even further to remove toxins from our environment and inhibit or even minimize their ability to enter our bodies. Mother-in-law's tongue, or the snake plant, is a native of West Africa and India and has the ability to improve the microclimate by absorbing pollution that can be found in houses and in offices. Closed spaces can have very polluted air, and since we spend a lot of time in homes and offices, having anti-pollution plants like the snake plant can help improve the health of those environments. As for the maintenance of this plant, although this plant loves bright spaces, it strives better out of direct light exposure. Watering should be done only when the soil is dry. In general, this plant is pretty low maintenance. The golden pothos. The golden pothos is a climbing plant. It is native to Southeast Asia. This plant is known for its massive absorption of carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide can come from our radiators, chimneys, heating system. Please beware if you do have pets. The golden pothos can be toxic to cats and dogs if they ingest it. Golden pothos is also low maintenance, only needing moderate non-direct sunlight and watering when the soil is dry. I hope you find this information very helpful, and if you do, please give a thumbs up. Before you go, I did promise a bonus tip. Most people enjoy eating pizza, plus it's delicious and convenient. Now, changing our diet can be a challenge. Knowing ways to incorporate healthy options and upgrade the foods we enjoy so we can get the benefits of all the nutrients we strive for from our comfort foods is key to success in eating healthy. Here's my tip for upgrading a homemade pizza. Try this at home and leave a comment below on how you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment on any other natural health topics you would like us to discuss. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and we will love for you to subscribe and share this with other people. Until next time, stay well.